Hi, my name's Sarah Meyer and I'm part of EMC's Global Channel Operations team. I'm here today to talk to you about the next wave in data center technologies, the introduction of the all-flash data center. There was a point in time a few years ago where the idea of an all-flash data center would have been pretty cost prohibitive. However, the cost per terabyte of flash has dropped dramatically over the years, allowing this media type to be better leveraged by IT to serve the business. But unleashing the potential and power of flash in the data center is about more than just the performance improvements that it provides. It's also about the scale and agility of the underlying architectures. So let's talk a little bit about the introduction of flash into the data center. First, you have Gen 1 technologies, which are our traditional disk-based storage arrays. This is the business that EMC was built on. Flash was introduced in the form of SSDs into the array with little to no changes to the underlying architecture. The initial impact is improvement on speed and performance of the system. However, you're limited in some ways. You've got stovepiped application data as well as high latency, which is limiting the ability to leverage the array with new, more data-rich application types. In the second generation, you have what's called flash-optimized hybrid arrays. These operate on a flash-first methodology or architecture, meaning that the array is optimized to gain both the benefit of speed and has the ability to move data between different media types. So essentially you have your most frequently accessed data stored on flash, and then your less frequently accessed data can be moved and stored on less expensive or slower disk types. While you have the improvement in performance, you're still limited or have limitations as it relates to the workloads as well as data size and services that can be applied to the system. In Gen 3, you have the first introduction of the all-flash array, which is built on a scale-up architecture. The most improvements that we're seeing here on the form of data services, which are obtained through software improvements, mostly in things like deduplication as well as compression. But customers are really facing here are a compromise between the data services as well as performance of the system. And while the scale is improved, there's still limitations, again, in the data size as well as the workload types that the system can handle. Then we move into Gen 4, which combines the all-flash array with a scale-out technology. This is where EMC is leading with Extreme I/O. The biggest benefit here is improved data services, including scalability, which is driving or creating a breakdown in data silos, allowing for true enterprise access across the different application data. You have a more consistent expectation in terms of the latency across every I/O type. You also have enhancements to snapshot technologies, which are transforming the way that backups and deduplications are handled in the data center. And you have more advanced quality of service applied at the application layer. The combination of these enhancements not only make the promise of an all-flash data center affordable and achievable, but they're also laying the foundation for an electronic data center, which is operated by a software layer and has a rich set of data services and capabilities that's able to really break down the silos between application data and allow IT to significantly reduce IT costs as well as the physical footprint of the system or data center. So with that, I believe I am now Gen 4 certified. Thanks and have a great day.